Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you a new mobile phone. I unboxed a new mobile phone on Sunday. So today it's 8th March, I'm recording a video, and in this video I'm going to show you and I would like to tell you the configurations of this mobile, why I liked and how much I paid for this mobile phone, of course. First of all, the name of mobile is Vivo V21. Price usually on Google, or if you search on any websites, mobile websites, it appears 60,000, I think, but I purchased with 53,000 rupees, of course, completely new. And I just unboxed. I would like to show you unboxing video. Of course, I unboxed at the shop because it wasn't possible to bring it out here and unboxing at my home. It wasn't that much that kind of situation most time. And what I love in mobile is cameras, especially. Camera is 44 megapixel, is front camera with dual LED flash, and back is 64 megapixel. And beside that we have 128 built-in and 8 GB RAM. And I think the charger is very fast. I think if I can just put it on the charging, it should be like within 45 minutes mobile is completely going to be full. I think it's very nice for me. It's first time in a very short period of time mobile is going to be full by charging. So that's very good things that I loved in this mobile. And it's 11 OS, Android 11 OS, and there are many features, of course, in other mobile, but the features that I loved I already shared with you. So let's go for a review, a quick unboxing that I already recorded. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was very useful for you and you learned a lot. And I was really curious to share with you these videos because of that all. So thank you so much. If you wanted to get in touch to notify, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. It automatically come to you to notify you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.